this is the video everybody wants to see. This is this video right here. So you are a UNN aspirant, you are someone who takes UNN to a very high standard. You are someone who wants to know everything about UNN and particularly want to know about the hostels and how the setting is. This is it right here. I know you stopped by to click on this video because you want to see what UNN hostel is like. Yeah, I'm here for you. But let's get into it. What's up YouTube? It's again Veracious. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a room tour slash hostel tour if it's possible. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you a little bit about my hostel, my room, my corner. And another thing is, you all want to see where this beautiful damsel is staying. Yeah, I'm staying in the hostel. You guys be wondering so much, where do I normally do my videos, whether in the lodge or in the hostel, or I don't know. But then today I'm going to show you how and where I do my, no, not how, I think where I do my videos, and also show you the room I'm staying in. So I believe for you to have clicked on this video, you hopefully want to see how UNN hostel look like and the room setting, how it is, and also you want to know or choose whether to stay in UNN hostel by next section or whether you stay in lodge. But by the time you are done with this video, I believe you want to stay in the hostel. Just keep watching. So before I get into today's video, I want to say something real quick. My corner might not be the best of the corners. It might not be the way you arrange yours or that I arranged mine. And this corner arrangement is basically on people's mindset. I'm going to be telling you how I feel others arrange it and how I see others arrange it and why I did my own the way I did it. Okay, so yeah, but before we hop into today's video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notifications so you get notified anytime I upload on this channel. First and foremost, I'm going to start with my corner. So my corner in UNN hostel, we have 4-man room, we have 3-man room, and I think we have 2-man room, if that's the thing. But I'm so conversant with 4-man room, and as it stands now, I'm in 4-man room. So we named them by corner A, corner B, corner C, and D. So right now my corner is corner A, and this is how corner A is like. So this is my bed right here. This is the bed I'm sleeping on. So you all be wondering where I normally shoot my videos. Yeah, this is it right here, baby. When I entered this corner, I bought this wallpaper and fixed it on my wall, so to give my corner some beauty and all those things. I also had this going on in my corner mate's corner, and yeah. So this is my shelf right here. Most people normally stack a lot of books on their shelves, and I don't know, my own, and this is just the few books I have, and this is the way I stack them. Any other one that is not in use, I take them up. So others usually pack their what's it called, toiletries, if that's a thing, like their cream, their bathing soap. This is my wardrobe. Corner A usually have a wardrobe that looks like this, but let me get into it. So I prefer to have this nail where I hang my towel after bathing, and I have this one where I hang my net. That's if you want, you can put them. And this is the wardrobe right here, baby. So much nail situation going on, and yeah, I can call this my closet. This is my bumper kit where I have my inner wear going on. This the whole lot of girl things happening here, and this is the whole situation going on. This kind of extra space where I keep stuffs, like my bag, my nightwear. This is my laptop right here. Some people prefer to keep their racket on the table, but I prefer to keep mine here. This butter, there is no space where I can keep it here. I usually keep it right here under this table, but I felt like I should keep it here. So on top right there, I have my box, and I have this carton where I stack shoes I'm not usually wearing. And you all can see my sandal and my canvas situation going on right there. And here's my mirror. This is my corner mate's um space. This corner C right here, and this right here is corner D. So corner C has this wardrobe, and corner D unfortunately do not have any wardrobe. Corner B has wardrobe, of course, that looks like mine, and this is it. And this is her whole situation going on, and the rest of it. And this is the table where corner D and corner C share. They share this table obviously because there is no space and the rest of it. Corner B also has her own table situation going on. And corner A, why is there nothing on corner A's table? I like to read on this table, so I don't like so much things going on the table. And I put stuff in my wardrobe. Oh, it's empty. Yeah, this for my food stuff sometimes, and this for my, oh, my hair is going off. And this for my what's it called, my pots. So this is my jerry can, this is my slippers, and under the bed we have some space where we keep our bucket. I'm showing you basically everything. And yeah, this is the situation right here. So I think I'm gonna show you our bathroom real quick. Yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, I didn't have time to go around the whole hostel and show you, but this is definitely how the settings are in the whole hostels. So thank you all for watching my video. Thank you all for watching to this point. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, a very big thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification, comment down below anything you want to comment, what you think your experience in UNN hostel has been, or what you actually thinking UNN hostel is like. And yeah, thank you all for watching. Bye. I love you all.